1,500 years ago, a race was sparked with only a handful of contestants. As the years grew by, the race grew bigger and bigger. This year, the race continues. This Ramadan, the race is on.
This Ramadan, we're going to fast the whole month. We're going to win.
This Ramadan, we'll be flying overseas to feed the orphans. And we're going to win.
This Ramadan, I'm going to put the scarf on. I'm going to win.
This Ramadan, I'm going to guard my tongue. I'm going to win.
This Ramadan, we're going to be praying 6 hours of night prayers. We're going to win.
This Ramadan, I'm going to take my Shahada. I'm going to win.
This Ramadan, all profits from our restaurant going to charity. We're going to win.
This Ramadan, our school is going to focus on giving more charity.
This Ramadan, I will be giving dawah all over Australia. I'm going to win.
This Ramadan, inshallah, I'm going to read the Quran 3 times. I'm going to win.
This year, 1.6 billion Muslims will enter the biggest race of all time. This Ramadan, the race is on. Are you going to win?